Holy cow. I told Paul I probably wouldn't be getting up early in the morning. Just because it's a West Coast thing. I'm here. I'm comfortable. It's 9:40 in the morning. Did you have a good sleep too? Yeah? Hi, buddy. So yeah, a bit of a late start for me. Good thing is I told Paul to take off ahead of me and go check out the wonders of the North Coast. He did. I'm happy about that. The tranquility of the wet West Coast forests. We are at the northern tip of Vancouver Island. But there's no exploring happening today. I'm sorry, dude. Maybe if you get lucky, you can explore with Peter. But in the meantime, that's right. We have vehicle issues. 3/4 of the way in, something let loose. Started making a complete racket. And I don't know what it is, but I got to get my front tire off. And baby, it's wet outside. So I'm just going to kill a little bit of time. I'm making coffee, probably have some breakfast before I go out there. Stay nice and warm close to the fire. It is damp here. My shoulder was starting to bug me last night. But the good news is, no more hip problems. The cold dampness is really affecting my hips, I think, with these new medications. I have no idea. Anyways, it's going to be a slow start to the morning, and then we're going into mechanics in the woods. Bacon. It's been a little over an hour since I woke up. It is now almost 11 a.m. and I am feeling so refreshed. I haven't heard or hiding or nothing from Paul, which is good because it's a long hike into where he's going. I've edited a video. I've started another video, and now it's breakfast time. That's right. Bacon, eggs, hash browns. I think I might just put them all into one. Oh, dilemmas of van life, you guys. What am I going to do? Leave it in the comments. So I've never had these before. They're dehydrated potatoes. Hash browns. My buddy Dale, he says, Brent, these are a camping must. I take them every time I go camping. They're amazing. They take up no space, and they're the best hash browns you ever had. I'm going to try them out, Dale. Cover that up for a bit. We'll get it right out of the pot. There's enough for 2 good-sized meals in that little container. Where did it? There we go. That one here. Anyways, this is what we're going to eat. Flip that over. And there we go. Give it a couple seconds. I can't believe I ate the whole thing. A little bit too much pepper, Brent. Other than that, it was amazing. So I have to clean up this mess. And then I have to go figure out this front tire. There's something loose in there that's not supposed to be loose. Holy crap, that was delicious. I ate too much. The dude is stuck outside. It's just about noon. I've been up for 2 hours. I think I'm going to have a nap before I go on an attempt to pull that tire off. Just feels like it. And I can. Jay, is your friend home? Yeah. Well, Paul made it back, so let's go see his review of this new secret hiding spot. God. Well, second box. I still can't find my wheel tire nut remover thing. Hope it's in here. I have 2 other containers, but I don't think they're in there, but I guess we gotta go through each one. Where would I put it? Right?
Don't ask me.
Okay, so we found the wheel nut wrench. We're gonna loosen those babies off. Okay, hopefully drive up and drive the rock. Easier to get the tire off the ground right away. That's the noise. Hopefully I have the right size. Dude. So we had this rattling noise. It was like clackety, clack, 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 clack. Every time I hit the brakes, it would go away. Sure enough, when I reached inside my wheel, I could actually move the brakes on the actual brake caliper. So we ripped it all apart, and the only thing I can find is this spring-loaded tip that goes on both sides. One's missing, the top one's missing. That's all I can find is wrong with this. So I've got this all cleaned up. I don't have the proper grease and stuff for here, but I'm gonna have to pull it apart again when I get home because this part here is missing part. So you'll see on this end, it's got a little springy boo and this riveted thing on here, completely missing on this end. So what's happening is it's slopping around inside my brakes and making a hell of a racket. So we're gonna have to replace the front brakes when we get home. Hopefully this will tame down the noise a bit. What I'm going to do is lube it up nice and good in here and see if I can put something in here, but I'm going to also make sure that I add the proper anti-friction devices. Basically what they do is they put a silicone on the back of this thing here so it stops the vibration. So I'm going to goop it up with some and it'll help us get home over the dirt roads without making it sound like we're falling apart. I hope. I had a bit of a brain fart. I thought, well, If this one's got a bit of a spring on this end, and we put a bit of the spring on this end, at least we'll have a bit of a spring on both ends instead of all the spring on one end. I don't know. What do you guys think? Well, it's on the ground. It rolls forward and it stops. Didn't squish any puppies. It did go together quite tight. I was kind of worried about that. I just need to tighten up the bolts. As long as we get back home safely, I'm happy. I'm just hoping it cuts down the noise. So we have this mess to clean up. We have this morning's mess to make from breakfast, and calling it a day already. Right? Paul, how was San Josef Bay?
Good.
Good. Paul went the wrong way. We're going to save the best of San Josef for tomorrow. Okay?
Sounds good. What? He knows when you're putting it on or what?
No. The dude is giving Paul a heck for not petting him. We've been putting it off for a day or so since I had to do a little bit of repairs on the van. Today's the day, and it's raining still, sadly, because I'm telling you, where we're about to go is one of the most miraculous places on the planet Earth, and you guys are going to be truly amazed. I'm telling you, just wait. So we're going to get ready, and we're going to head off into this slothy morning, ready to get this done, and hopefully get back here for lunch. Let's see. Breakfast is served. Not gonna lie, like, I'm taking these pills. Been sleeping better. My phlegm's a bit better. But I guess this hike will really tell us if everything's better. I'm talking. I'm not gonna lie. I'd much rather be going back to bed. You quit being so sassy, okay? You don't need to be this sassy. You don't. Thank you. Okay, I think we're almost ready. Ta-da! Okay. We'll lock her down. That's right. We're at the Cape Scott Provincial Park in northern Vancouver Island. Mystical Pathway. Yeah, it's about a 2 to 3K walk in. We figure about 30-minute walk, I guess, in to the beautiful beaches of San Josef. So enjoy the walk in. Amazing. We should have brought our fishing rods. We're going to be able to catch something in here. You should go stand in there, show everybody how big it is. Dude, we made it. Oh yeah. Well, we made it. Bit worse for wear. I'm feeling it. Paul, he's a jockey, doesn't feel it. Decided to take off my shoes and my coat, and we're gonna go walk down the beach. We got something cool to show you. And Paul. Hey, Paul?
Hi.
Silly me, I forgot my extra battery. You know what happens when that happens. You guys don't get the footage. And we're already down to 17% on this battery, so we need to make sure we have some charging because we have some cool stuff to see. We're at San Josef Bay, up in the Cape Scott Provincial Campgrounds in the northwest corner of Vancouver Island, where the dude constantly finds friends from all over. Hey, dude, where's your friend going? There's something about being here, you know, majestic and mystic, and I'm walking through the beach right now, and there's cloud and mist in the air, but there's a nice gentle spray coming off the ocean. It's refreshing. Anyways, that little bugger, well, he's ruined it for himself. We let the dude off while he was on a leash, and we let him run free, and oh man, he was having a blast on this huge beach until he saw there was other people around, and then he had to go say hi to everybody and would not return. So back to the short leash. So this behind me is the high point of coming to San Josef Bay. We're gonna stumble across some real cool Mother Nature artistry, okay?